Hey, Terry. Hey, Disciplined Trader, what's going on? Michael Giannis, what's going on? How's it going, guys? So that was quite the little pump and dump. Little Trump news, I guess. Tariff news. I ate a salad too and a banana. Balance out that pizza, that's right. Alfred, what's going on? Coach Fred in the house. What's going on, guys? Thanks for stopping in. Figured I'd hop in, say hi for a bit. Waiting for my take profit trader. No guac today, Coach Fred, no guac. No, I blew up my pro account. That's all right. Try to go for that day one payout. His Royal Trades, what's going on? Trump pump and dump was nice for the comp. Yeah, for sure. Buellnock's looking all right. I'm waiting for my. I just got another TPT. I'm waiting on it. Kega-san, what's going on? Elsie, Trev, what's up? This news right here was tariff news. It was I'll tell you actually, I read it. Right here. Something to do with Canada, tariffs, things like that. Yeah, I got a 150K I'm working on, Alfred. Yeah, I'm thinking so too. You blew 2 funded 2 days ago, Alfred. Oh, I mean Fred. I was getting Alfred and Fred mixed up. The inside bar this morning? Yeah, I did get bored. For sure. Yeah, I've been over trading like crazy, honest take. Yeah, totally over trading. I passed another T-Profit trader 50K with code PINE, Terry. Thank you, Terry. I just need to keep them longer for now, goals. Nice, Terry. Yeah, use code PINE, guys, for Take Profit Trader. You guys know the deal. Appreciate that. So yeah, we had a massive little pump and dump here. So I'm still waiting on Take Profit Trader. I'd like to trade that. I'd like to try to get 5 of them. For sure. But yeah, honest take, I haven't been trading very well. Trading very discretionary, trading very emotionally. Just, yeah, not very good. Not being patient, I think that's the biggest thing. Well, come on, Take Profit Trader. So I reset one with some points, some reward points, so. How did everyone else do today? How'd you guys do today? Trev, 50-minute Rami on the NG. Someone traded it. Nice. Did not. So we are just peaking above the initial balance high here. I wonder if we end up coming back and taking some of this out. But for now, we're right back in that chop zone that we were in earlier before the little pump and dump from the Trump tariff news from Canada. Yeah, I don't know, Fred. I don't know if Trev meant natural gas or if he meant to type in NQ. I don't know. Maybe nat gas. Become the fear, embrace the ticks. Trump said today, we don't the world needs us. Oh, we don't need the world needs us. They will pay to access our markets, dude. No, people just go elsewhere where there are less barriers. Bad Moxie, what's going on? I finally broke a mini losing streak. Nice, Terry. Nice work. I'm getting very close to a payout on this master account here. Very close, 53,457. So wish me luck on that. I am on day. Oh, guys, I was hoping to be able to trade. Take Profit Trader, but I don't see my account that I just bought. I don't know. Yeah, I'll just trade something else in the meantime. All right, market's looking a little dumpy there. Little trend line break there. Still below the VWAP. See what accounts can I trade? All right, I got this one here. I can trade. This eval here I was working on earlier. This is a starter account. I feel like I got spinach stuck in my teeth. Alright, Nasdaq's pushing down here. Let's take a look at gold. Wow, gold's on the grind. The grind up. Press conference at 3. Thank you, Kega-san. Taking a look at gold here. Maybe a little pullback on the gold for an entry long, but we have the bottom of the hour here in about 5 minutes. So Nasdaq's continuing to flush. Amazon recalling their robotaxi. Oh, really? Those things freak me out, man. Those robotaxis. They do freak me out. I'd love to have one, but they freak me out. I saw one video where they were just, one was going around in circles in a parking lot. Joker, what's going on? I'm in short here. Stopped out of break even. We're looking for a little more. Heck yeah, Moses. Yeah, I use Take Profit Trader right here. I blew a pro account today though. But yeah, if you got any questions about Take Profit Trader, Moses, let me know. Appreciate it if you do try it out. Use my code PINE, all caps. I'd appreciate it. All right, nice little push up there. Oh, nice, John. So you actually took the opposite end of it. Yeah, so that's something like I was talking about back testing, whether we swept the opposite side, didn't make really 10 points at all, came back, take the opposite end. Nice flush here off the inside bar, nice push up here off the inside bar. This one was a little ugly. Can't all be winners, right? I usually pass 50Ks in 3 days and then flip the rest. From there, I pass. I get 3 to 4 days on payout and fail, and restart all over. When for small font size is a problem. Well, not really, Moses. I mean, yeah, I mean probably over leveraged and the trailing drawdown probably gets you in the funded stage, but I mean. I've gotten my most payouts with 25K accounts with Take Profit Trader. So 25K account is the account that I took to Pro Plus. I made over 10,000 in that one day. So yeah, I mean it's all to do with your style of trading, I guess. That makes sense. But I tried to push it today. I was $300 from getting a payout today, and I screwed it up. So yeah, the intraday got me today. Do I use AI casually for personal use? Not really, Kega-san. Sometimes chat GPT or something when I'm writing something, but just because I'm an idiot and I don't know how to edit. Yeah, 60-hour trader. Inside bars, man. They do work. It's just a really simple entry for a beginner trader. It's kind of my thing, you know. I don't copy trade, Moses. I just copy trade within the props. So like when I have funded accounts with like Apex or Bulanox, I'll copy trade them within them on Tradeovate. But you can do it with what, through NinjaTrader and Replicanto and Tradeovate or something. I don't know. I'm not really sure, Moses. That was a little loud. Yeah, move the mic closer. Put in a little harami here. Do I have my Take Profit Trader account yet? No. I guess it takes a little longer to get the account when you use the rewards points, I guess. I have no idea, Paul Moses. I think there is because, well, there's a way to create indicators and stuff. Like, Ed of the Woods made this indicator here for us. But as far as, I have no idea how to program things. I barely know how to turn on my computer, man. If I hit the button on the computer and it doesn't turn on, then I throw it out and go get a new one. Like, I'm an idiot. Comes with tech stuff, but I'm sure there is. Alright, pushing up here. Just bouncing his head off that 900 level. Just thinking about taking a long here, but I'm gonna try it. Off this inside Harami candle. I'm just gonna target the top of the initial balance high. I generally don't play stops when I'm trading evals. Just FYI. Buy new computers, yeah. Actually, knock on wood, Alfred. I've had this computer since 2021. This old HP gaming PC from Walmart. Like, this thing's been a war horse. Knock on wood. Fake wood. Here's some real wood. My doors. It's real wood. Alder wood. Come on. Oh, really? Kick me in the tick there? Wow, it really kicked me in the tick. They could pull back to the VWAP now. We'll see. Sherry! Oh, really, Alfred? Nice. Yeah, that's what I got. It's an HP gaming PC desktop from Walmart. I think I paid like $600 for it with no monitor or anything, but I had to buy the monitors. But thing's been great. Yep, pulling back to the VWAP here. I'm gonna DCA. Pump it. Yash Trades Futures, what's going on, Marco? Congratulations, Sherry, on passing that Beelnox. Pass one and blue one, that's okay. They're cheap enough though, right? Sherry, like, they're cheap enough. Come on. Nope. I'm out. Flipping the script here. Marco. Tough markets I've been having success buying candle bottoms if they break below the scalps. Yeah, for sure. That was a little unfortunate. It kind of kicked me in the tick there. I think my take profit was maybe 2-3 ticks away. Go. Took 2 off. I'll let the other one run. There we go. Trailing. Oof. Get a little elevator here. All right, stopped out there. Nice little flip the switch. That was a little discretionary. It's kind of like an I feel the market's gonna rug pull. That's kind of what I was going on there. All right, I need another $200 to pass this. Yes, I felt it in my plums. Exactly, Cake Son. I did. My spidey senses. Gold still grinding up? Yeah. All right, market kind of broke out of this range here to the downside. Yo, Jim. What's happening? Good to see you. Thanks for stopping in, guys. Smash the like button on your way in. Don't forget. Help them YouTube algorithms just know that we're here. Alright, let's see if we can get this eval passed. Do I have my take profit trader one yet? No. Weird. Yeah, I reset a 50K account for Take Profit Trader, and with rewards points, and have not seen it. Down to 850s here, 19,850. Does trading make you crave sweets? Yes, 100% dairy. But I had ice cream last night, so. Yeah, Jim, I just decided to hop on, say hi. I mean, I hop on usually every once in a while, randomly. Plus tomorrow I might have plans, I'm not sure. So we'll see. That's what happens when you just eat salad for lunch, Terry. And you crave something after. At least I do. Wasn't too satisfying. The salad was satisfying. The egg whites I had this morning was not satisfying. It's fighting market open high. Yeah, you're right. It is. Mohammed. See if I can get the methodical man. 9 tests to pass this account. Zabak! What's going on? I am live. I opted to hop on stream instead of going to the gym. But as soon as I hop off stream, I'm gonna try to get a workout in before I hop on at 6. Alright, it's not going to give us an entry. I just need 10 points to pass this account. Hey, thanks, Sabak. All right, trigger me in. Oh, tried to. He tried to off that 9. I would have passed too. Yeah, I don't like it now. That was the touch. I didn't quite enter. It didn't quite fill me, so. TX Roughneck, what's going on? It's going good. Smokey. Black Beauty. You have tons of chocolate around your desk. Nice. I had a trade hit my order, only sell 4 out of 12, and then blue. Oh. That was the touch there. That would have passed this account too. Oh well, we wait for the next one. Not on the 9 touch though, it's invalid. You only want to take the first one. So you get the crossover, and then you take the first one, and that was the touch. For a 10-point scalp. Now we gotta wait. Trading's a lot of waiting. A lot of waiting. So still pushing down here, below 850s here, 844. Like Mohammed said, we're battling the opening candle high. Five-minute opening candle high. That was actually the worst trade that I've had, like 3,300 payout turned to, oh, Smokey, yeah. I've been there, bro, I've been there. It's just a horrible feeling. Think we can squeeze another 10 points out of that? Let's try it. See if we can get on that momentum. Oh. Well, maybe not. Still wants lower, I guess. This is kind of a harami candle, but it's not, because his body's not within the body, but I do like taking these candles too. Pressing the button too early always gets me in trouble, Alfred, yeah. I hear ya. I'm not really liking this. Come on, give me 870. The thrill of being in the trade. Sabak. It's the dopamine fix. I don't feel much when trading evals though. It's more just like exhaustion. Evals feel like doing dishes sometimes, yeah, for sure, Terry. It's just a chore. Kind of bear flaggish too, which I don't love. I'll take profit traders responding to me. Says I'm up next. I want to know where my eval is. I just cashed in. It's feeling a little dumpy. I have a feeling it's gonna dump. I don't know. We'll see. Rip it. I was visiting South Korea. Lady in the store just told me to go back to my country, but I was here. What do I do? All right, back to my entry here. Hopefully I don't just hopefully I don't just create a range right here at the top of the 5-minute ORB. Say you're from outer space, Black Beauty. Never like that when it comes right up to your entry and then just, you know, that's kind of like the point of resistance is your entry. It's always a bad sign. Yeah, I don't hate that, TJP. It's the worst. Come on, TPT. Alfred. Come on, get up there. Male gossip is a disease. What's going on? Putting in that work, full-time trader. Come on, get up there. Get up there! Since 0 Day J's not on. Get up there! Wood Chip, what's up? As soon as I get out of it, if I get out of this trade at break even right now, it's gonna pump. I know it is. Come on. Really? Really? Yay! Passed. Now I'll just need my TPT. So I'm waiting on a TPT eval. And it's not here yet. But I'm on hold with support. Because I read, wow, what a pump. Pound the confetti like roast beef, TJP. That's right. All right, nice little pump there. Bouncing off the VWAP, or hitting its head on the VWAP. So I can't trade any of these accounts right now because they're all... Two of them are passed. One of them is 50%, so I'm waiting on another one right now. I'm on support with Take Profit Trader. I took some reward money and reset a 50K, and I haven't heard anything yet. Wow, what a dirty move. Thanks, Alfred. LOL Joe, hey Pine, when you're trading TPT, how much does you usually withdraw from your daily payout? Full amount or just enough for the buffer? The full amount. Always. So if it's over 2,000. So if you have a 50K account, it's over $5,200. So 2,000 bucks. Anything over the 2,000 bucks, I withdraw. I don't care if it's $20 on the day. I withdraw it. I withdraw it, and then it adds up in your wallet. So it goes in your wallet. So yeah, once it builds up into my wallet, then I end up, as long as it's, what is it, over 200 bucks in the wallet, I think, then you don't have to pay the fee. It might be 250 or something. Let me see. Maybe it's 300 bucks. I don't know, but you can just like build it up into your wallet until you have enough so you don't have to make a withdrawal fee. Because when you take the payout from the funded account, it goes into a virtual wallet and Take Profit Trader, in case you're new to Take Profit Trader. So yeah, it's like 250. Yeah, that's why I'll 250. Like right now I have 250 in there. But you can see like these are my withdrawals. For this year, pretty good. Or you can buy new accounts too with them, LOL Joe. I don't know if you knew that. Like, so if you withdraw into your wallet, your virtual wallet, you can buy new accounts. You can reset accounts or whatever. A lot of people don't know about the reward system either. So here's another thing with Take Profit Trader that you guys, if you guys are new to Take Profit Trader, that you might not know. So you build up rewards. So when you buy new accounts, when you make withdrawals of like over $1,000, things like that, you build up points and then you can get free accounts. So I redeemed a 50K earlier. That's what I'm waiting on right now. And yeah, it's a free evaluation account. Now, when you do redeem an account, you'll have to pay the activation fee. You know, right now, if you get a new account, use code PINE, all caps, then you don't have to pay any activation fee. But, you know, why not use these points up sometimes, you know? You even get a free 50K Pro account if you get 50,000 points, but I don't let them build up that much. Pretty sweet prop firm when they give you your accounts. I'm waiting on one right now. To Marlboro Miles of prop firms, yeah. Yeah, the activation fee, right, Alfred? Yeah. If you're pretty good at passing evals, then you know, then the points I know I tend to like send them pretty heavily when they're a free account. All right, market is still below the VWAP. The 75K reward was the only time I ever thought about getting that account. Yeah, Alfred, I did that earlier. I had a credit for a 75K account. I don't even know how I got a credit. I don't know how the credits work. All right, I got my account finally. All right. Okay, account should be activated here. Another 50K take profit trader account. But yeah, sometimes I get I don't know. I had a 75K credit sitting there. I checked the other day and I'm like, what the heck is this? So I just activated it. I blew it, but I was full porting it. Yeah, LOL Joe. Yeah, the reward system's great. But yeah, that 30% off still going on. No activation fees. If you want to use code PINE, all caps. Appreciate the support. My baby channel. Hopefully, once my channel grows more and there's my account. And immediately just hop in on the short here. No stop loss. Taking a short off the inside bar here, but not looking great. Show you how fast it will blow up my rewards account. Damn. I got trapped on that one. Raylan, what's going on? Oh, very nice, Raylan. Yeah, get those daily payouts, guys. It's awesome. Yeah, that's right. Just walk to you. I'm not that smart. Yeah, evals I don't use stop losses. I'm just being transparent there. Kind of like when I know I'm wrong, I just get out. But in this market, it's very dangerous not to use it because then you get a candle like this out of nowhere and then it just blows your account. So kind of stupid. Oh yeah, Alfred, yeah, the MacBook, they still offer that? Yeah, my trading buddy was talking about that. I was like, that's pretty funny. Yeah, they were off for a while. Take Profit Trader was offering a MacBook, guys, for the rewards. I don't know, full-time trader, but if you hit 50,000 rewards points, you get a free Pro Plus account. So they give you a free live account, or is it a Pro account? I think it's Pro Plus. Rewards for affiliates? No. Oh, well, they do give you rewards for affiliates. They'll give you free accounts eventually, but I am nowhere near I don't get enough. Like 0 Day J and trading with Travis and them guys, they get tons of rewards from the affiliate program. They get you get free accounts and stuff when you hit certain tiers. But I'm too small for that. I don't get any of that. Yeah. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you get bonuses and rewards and all kinds of stuff. Alright, this is not... That was not good. Try taking a short off that inside bar, got completely trapped there. Thanks, TJB. Yeah, and then like I fully intend, like once I start hitting those milestones with Take Profit Trader, like giving away those accounts to you guys for sure. Like a lot of affiliates do give away those accounts, which is nice. But yeah, so like as affiliates, like once you hit 10,000 in sales, you get 2 free 50K accounts. You hit 15,000 in sales, you get 3 150K accounts. Now the affiliates are getting mad at me for talking about it. Hey, Trading Star, what's going on? Good to see you. I haven't seen you in a while. Probably the worst way I've ever blown it. Put a big ass green candle right at hitting my order and selling on the partial. Oh. Hey, Futures Trader, what's going on? Futures Floor TV, I mean. Hey, Mr. Phibbs, I really appreciate that. Yeah. Really appreciate the support, man. Sergio, what's going on? Alright, so that was ugly. That was an ugly trade. Should have flipped the switch. This is that thing I've been talking about, guys. I gotta do some practicing on this. So the inside bar broke. Right? We went short. Didn't work. Immediately pulls back. My thinking is, because where it only went like a few points, taking the flipping the switch once it hits the opposite, and you can see it gets an immediate breakout, because a lot of people probably try to take this short and then it just ran stops right here. You can see it right here, did the same thing. We ended up getting in on this short earlier in the stream for a nice profit. Got us pretty close to passing that My Funded Futures starter account. Yeah, so yeah, I definitely gotta like pay attention to that. Nice, Fred. Yeah, we're pushing up higher here. Sergio in the house. Trucker Scott. What's going on, guys? Been doing good lately. Learning to finally take my losses. Helped big time. Nice, Futures Floor. Yeah. Yeah, I've been struggling, guys. I fully admit that. My trading has been struggling. Kind of like doing the roll. I'm like doing the roller coaster. The hamster wheel, not the roller coaster. The hamster wheel on the accounts lately. Not finding consistency. I need to size down. I think that's what I need to do on my funded account. Daryl, what's happening? Yeah, it hasn't been too bad. Futures floor, a little choppy. This was kind of crazy. This move here was a little Trump Canadian tariff talk thing, or I don't know. And that pump, and then the immediate dump. Now it kind of feels like we're just gonna try to. Hopefully, we don't just stay in like in the middle of this. Probably we will. I guess it's a pretty good range though. 112 points. Blew many TPT, my funded future evals left and right. I was in a hurry to pass them, most of them really close to passing. Oh, that sucks, Trading Star. So yeah, I have 2 my funded future accounts that I passed today. And I blew 2 funded. And so yeah, I feel you, man. Here's the other thing. My funded futures guys got rid of the daily loss limit on the starter accounts, which is fine to try to pass an account in one day, but it's like, you know, the daily loss limit saves me from myself. Let's be honest. Terry Trades 100, friend of the channel, like her my funded future starter account. I don't know if she still has it. I think she still has it, but like she's at like day like 60 something because of the daily loss limit. So yeah, Fred, I hear ya. Yes, our Prime Minister went to go visit and bend the knee futures floor. Did I see Algo Tiger last night? I did. Yeah. Hey Amelia, what's going on? Alright, I was just showing you like a little bit of a range that we had there. I'm gonna get rid of it though. Oh, Amelia, yeah, I just decided to hop on instead of going to the gym. The weather's just so crappy that, I don't know, wasn't feeling very motivated. But I will hop off before the 6 o'clock stream and do something, get on the treadmill or jump around on the trampoline or do the rowing machine or something. Do some bully juice. You guys ever do bully juice on YouTube? That workout? It's like a jailhouse workout. That's hardcore. The no equipment workouts. These things wreck me bad. All right, above the initial balance high here. Do we hold? Good new 5-minute candle here, opening up in 30 seconds. I'm debating on whether or not to try to take a retest. I've already done a lot of damage on this account. We'll see. This was a rewards account. Them glutes. Yeah, I gotta work on them glutes. Coach Fred, you sit your ass flat. You sit at the computer too long. I really should get a standing desk. But then again, I shouldn't be over trading. But with the streaming and trying to stream and then trading and stuff, like, I'm definitely sitting in front of the screens a lot more than usual. Tiger is truly naturally gifted singer and comedian. He would make millions. He is a good singer. Yeah, and he makes me laugh too, so. I'm doing a 40-40 challenge. 40 flights of stairs a day, 40 days carrying 40 pounds. Today's day 33. Going. Oh, wow. Nice. 40 flights of stairs carrying 40 pounds. Damn. You must be able to do it outside his royal trades, huh? Cause that'd be sweet. I love working out outdoors. I prefer it. But lately I've just been doing the traditional gym stuff. Just the weights. Full body weights. Things like that. Went from negative 3K to 1K and 150K. 150K Tradeify eval. Nice, Coach Fred. Oh, you live in a condo with 16 floors? Yeah, you could do it. Yeah. There you go. Nice wood chip. Been working on your dock, debating on hiring it out, but I need the exercise and the work is brutal in the hot sun. Yeah, for sure, down in Alabama. We do not have any hot weather yet. Yeah, for sure, full-time trader. I go up 2 flights of stairs carrying 250. That's enough. Yeah, I hear ya. I'm at 180 right now, which is pretty heavy for my size. I mean, I'm only 5'6", so. Sitting at the desk does not help. Gave me an excuse to buy a new set of DeWalt tools. Nice. Yeah, it's Makitas. Yeah, I love Makitas. I still have an old set of. I'm still using I have a set of rigids from Home Depot that for all my power tools, and I've been using that for like 10 years. I've done, I don't know, 3 houses with them. Alright, we are parabolic right now, pushing up higher, 933s. I think we take out this wick here, 946. Kind of waiting on a little pullback. Maybe we can try for another 9 touch. I used to have the Ryobis. Yeah, I used to have Ryobis way back in the day, yeah. Yep. Metavo's a good too, yeah. Sure, Raylan. Absolutely. I walked a mile today so far, 4 weeks. I have a double bypass. Oh, Jamie, nice. Yeah. Well, good to hear that you're on the recovery. That's awesome. corner mouse, the cordless, and the impact torque. Yeah. Yeah, my father has a lot of Milwaukee stuff in his auto shop now. Impact tools and battery operated ratchets. But yeah, that's awesome, Jamie. Yeah, I can't stop moving. Gotta keep moving if you can. I mean, sitting here trading a lot, you know, like, you know, with the cortisol and the stress of the trading, and I'd really try to like work out, at least get on the treadmill, go for a walk, go for a hike when the weather's nice, something. Look for 975. I'm in IT, and trading for me, not moving enough is what hurt myself. Yes. Yeah. For sure. Kayaking, yeah. I have a kayak. Haven't used it in a while, but I do have a kayak. Best thing to do is if you get a really good win, leave for an hour or the day. Yeah, 100% Joe. Like, you can make your money in the first hour of the day and be done. Like, that's really what, like, when I'm trading my best, like, that's really what I'm doing. If I'm sitting here trading all day, that's when you start to lose more money, you know? Like, it's like sitting at the casino. Like, the longer you sit at the casino, the more likely it's going to take back your money. But it all depends on your style of trading as well, too, you know? If you scalp all day, which I don't have the, like, if you're just scalping a few ticks or a few points, like, it can get kind of crazy. Yeah, that's the biggest thing, Alfred, is like when you get up to our age, you know, when you start getting over 40 and older, you know, you want to keep up your strength and mobility. That's the most important things. And yeah, absolutely, Alfred. The mental aspect of it, the mind. Because like I said, trading is stressful. So I always feel better after I work out. You know what actually makes me feel really good after trading? This is going to sound stupid, but I have one of those mini trampolines for working out. And you do a workout on that for like 30, 40 minutes on that mini trampoline. And for some reason, it's just like a really nice stress reliever. If you were stopped out on a 5-minute inside bar, do you think it's a good idea to reverse your position with double the size? Double the size, John King. Maybe if you're trading micros, but on props, it's probably not the best. But yeah, that's something like I was talking about. Like, it swept, and then obviously like the long here was a good trade, but then you saw it again here where it swept the highs, and then immediately reversed. So as far as martingaling, not a bad idea, but you just gotta size accordingly. You look for small scalps all day. Penny here and a penny there adds up. Yeah. That sounds exhausting, full-time trader. Look for the short, Dave. Oh, look for an overnight short, maybe tomorrow. Yeah. I can't, man. It's so hard to swing trades futures for me. Like, I have such a tough time trying to sleep. Targeting 690s, huh? Yeah. I can see it. We do have some single prints left over in the NQ on the 30-minute chart. Your ICT guys would call them fair value gaps, but definitely some room to the downside if we end up getting that flush. And overall, the market kind of looking bearish on the 30. Mo Lester in the house. Do jump on a trampoline, Mo Lester. Yeah. Traders on trampolines. You guys remember the Man Show? We're gonna do futures traders on trampolines. But yeah, I got this little mini trampoline in the basement, and the thing is like such a good workout. It's crazy how good of a workout it is. I just bought 3 MFU. Oh, Dave, thank you so much. Appreciate you. Appreciate that. The Man Show trams. Someone remembers. Jamie remembers. My stop will be the swing low if I'm taking longs above it, or I add 1 or 2 if I'm fairly sure the bullish trend is intact. I generally avoid the indexes. It's very. They have a perfect trend, which is very rare. They are just too explosive, violent. Yeah, for sure, full-time trader. The juggies. It's the juggies. Oh, that show was something else. So yeah, maybe I'll start a new video series, traders on trampolines. Me and Methodical Man on the trampoline. That'll be fun, right? I think you're right, Roughneck. I think you're right. I think you're right. I think they were. All right, we came right back. We pulled back to the initial balance high here, and then we bounced off again. It's a pretty bullish sign. I was considering taking it, but I didn't. We get a new 5-minute candle here opening up in about 30 seconds. Yeah, I was pretty young when that came out. When was the Man Show? It was 19. It says it's still on. It's not on. Oh, 1999 to 2004. So I was in high school. Yeah, I was in high school. Look for the price action and stack 5 EMA 922 150 on a 5 minute Delta Green. Oh, so you trade the EMAs kind of like 0 day, huh? Here we go, pushing up. This is a pretty bullish sign here. It came back and tested that initial balance high and then bounce, and then looks like it wants to continue to push here. I think we end up taking out this wick at 47. Some full port. Really struggling. I'm just gonna take it off. Just really expecting a little momentum on that. Yeah, there we go. Good little cover there. Full port. You were in college, Amelia? During the Man Show, 99 to 2004. Alright, we'll wait for a little pullback. Push it! Wood chip. In terms of my technical criteria, but at first, risk management, psychology, and ability to not get angry with losses. Absolutely full-time trader. That's 99% of it, right? The psychology is the hardest part, 100%. It's only natural to get angry when wrong or feeling threatened when profits are taken away. That sounds hot. Stopped out, but it was fun. Yeah, kind of a nasty price action right there. I do feel like we run that. I won't full port this. The new 15-minute opening up too here. Boy, you guys remember last night? We had those triple equal highs on the MNQ. $42. I think 42.75 exactly. Yeah, 42.75 right there. It almost ran it with that Trump spike. Full port short. Yeah, tomorrow is FOMC, guys. That's a good point, Amelia. Thank you. So FOMC tomorrow on the old Forex Factory. So 2 p.m. FOMC statement, and then the press conference, and then Friday you'll have a bunch of speakers. So a bunch of speakers on Friday, which always sucks. Chat's all messed up. There we go. Stretch I prefer longs. TP longs always, so I'm looking for green tickers. Trending. A full-time trader, yeah. Permable. TPT, can you trade on a news day or not during F1C starts? You can on evals. TPT Joe, I believe, but not. I don't. You can't trade during news with the funded accounts though. So on pro accounts, on Take Profit Trader, you cannot have, so this is when you get funded, you can't have any positions open 1 minute before, during, or after the news events that follow FOMC, non-farm payroll, and CPI. Those are the big ones. And if you trade gold, it's crude oil inventories. And if you trade bonds, 10-year note, 30-year bond. So it's only the three big ones. So FOMC, non-farm payroll, and CPI once you're funded, when you have a pro account with Take Profit Trader. But with an eval, Joe, if you wanted a full send one, not financial advice, you can do it on an eval, but I wouldn't. All right, testing that initial balance high again. Do we get the bounce? I mean, I usually do, Joe. Like, I used to do it a lot with cheap evals like Bulanox or Apex. You know, when they're like 15 bucks, 20 bucks, then I'll full send them on news. But I don't even like doing that anymore. I'd rather just trade them at the open. Because during news, the platforms, they tend to freeze up and everything else. And I don't know, the win rate was horrible. So I'd rather just like send them at the open for, cheap evals. I believe Apex is 80% off, guys, right now. So if you guys use Apex, you guys can use my code PINE. Bulanox, I don't think is running a sale yet. They will. They copy. They usually one up. Oh yeah, okay. Bulanox is running their sale now, 83% off. You can use code PINE. Appreciate the support. 83% off, even the 25K accounts, guys. Option ones. So that is the intraday trailing, and that goes until 5:20. And you guys can use Project X if you guys don't use Rhythmic. And Apex is 80% off. You can see right here. Use code PINE, 83% off. I don't recommend anything over 50K accounts with Bulanox, guys. The activation fee is too high. So, appreciate the support. I got my Bulanox. This one is so close to pay out. This account right here. So close. It's getting there. It's grinding. Try not to think about it. Yeah, Fred. All right, look at that bounce off the initial balance high. How many times is it going to do that? And I'm not going to take it. All right, so early on stream, we passed the My Funded Future account, starter account. And then we activated, we had some rewards points, and we activated a take profit trader 50k, and the first trade I took, I got smoked. Tried to go short off this inside bar. I should have flipped the switch like we talked about, and I did not. This one I tried to full port thinking we're gonna hit that 45, 46 level, and I think we're gonna run this wick. Now I think we're gonna run it. Well, it's not enough meat on the bone for me right now. It's a little scary. Plus we got the power hour coming up in 5 minutes. The sour hour. TCG Andy, what's going on? Long time no see. You used to love OTD options on news. Full degen, Joe. You never trade news? Yeah, it's not worth it. Not anymore. I mean, like I said, I'll full send a cheap eval. It is that wick run. That's what we were looking for. Right here. Fill this gap here, possibly. I don't know, Kega-san. Why does the NASDAQ futures trade so much higher than the actual one? I do not know. Don't know. That'll work. Accidentally double clicked, winning 2 minutes instead of 1. Hey, on the long side, nice. Yeah, it looks like we're filling that gap there. Alright, just being a little patient here. I don't know. Not really feeling it. It's kind of just pushing up. I don't know. Having a little FOMO. That was a nice 40-point pop there off the initial balance high again, but get the power hour starting up in 1 minute. So we'll see what happens. Let's see the Algo Tiger video again. Poor Tiger. We'll show it one more time. Let's see. Yeah, so if you guys don't know, Stock Tiger, the man, the myth, the legend, went on a little tilt session. Made a video about it, so
order filled, 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 order filled.
This was him the other night.
Order filled, order filled, order filled.
It's a daily stock tiger order filled. He's been trading well. He has been trading pretty well, so I'm a little lucky, but I'll take luck over skill any day. Any day. Just a casual Tuesday night. I think I don't know, did he make money that night? I think he actually made money. Not sure though. All right, we got the power hour, the sour hour. We're getting a little bit of a pullback here. Do we just keep grinding until we run these wicks up here, or what? It's hard to go short here. He did it last night again. I have my order filled stuff shut off. Nice little wick test. That's a little trades by Matt wick test right there. You see him trading that sometimes. Look at that. It's beautiful. Not much drawdown either. Would you have gotten 10 points? Might. Yeah, there's your 10-ish. I'm out. Tiger, I'm gonna have to send him a new mouse. My mouse is actually getting pretty worn out. Got this Corsair Dark Core RCB Pro. You know, all the paint and stuff's worn off. It's a pretty nice mouse. Don't tell him about Neuralink. Especially if he says he's playing dirty tricks. Still waiting for a setup. I'm not really seeing much right now, guys. Just being patient. We passed my Find a Future account earlier in stream if you're just tuning in. And now I'm waiting. A little bit of drawdown on the Take Profit Trader, but yeah. Still alive. Effing trailer drawdown. I just lost 3 pro on the day one. I got 3. Damn me. 906. I hate that, man. I'm with you. The trailing drawdown does suck. There is ways around it. I mean, we do it, but it does suck. It's that prop game we play. The thing about it is that they can't have end of day. The way they have their rules set up right now, they can't have end of day. Because we would just... Some of us good traders like yourself or Alfred or myself or Terry trades, wood chip, like we would just take them to the cleaners if they had end of day, and they just couldn't do it, just with their current rules. But yeah, it sucks. I'm with you. That happened to me today, actually, Mead. That 100% happened to me today on my Take Profit Trader Pro account. Yeah, my ending balance of something was like negative 56 bucks or something crazy. So most of the time it's because I'm over leveraged. That's the thing. No patience and over leveraged. Put in a little harami here. Do we get to pull down, or do we continue going higher? This is the thing. We filled the gap up there. I'm gonna try the short. This could spell disaster to this account. Just looking for a scalp. Scalp and a runner. Give me the loot. Alright. There's the runner. Keegan in the house. Did we come all the way back down to test the VWAP? Take it off right there. So down 400 now. Got back, what, 350 on that? You're looking for the low of the day wood chip. Nice. Agree. It still sucks though. I was eager to get a 3K payout the same day. I know. That's the thing, Mead. Yep. Yeah, we try to get that day one payout. It's a psychological mind barrier, you know. It just sucks. I'm with you. That's exactly what I was doing. I was up 12. At one point I was up like $1,200 realized on that TPT Pro today, and it was a 25K account, and then I literally just went in full contracts again and blew it. Like, so frustrating. But at the end of the day, you know, it cost us $119 times 3, and if you're, you know, for you times 3, and if you're used to trading a personal account, it's very low cost of doing business. So yeah. But that's exactly how you have to look at it sometimes too. It's like, you know, that's like, what are you really risking on the account? It's what you paid for the account. It's not like what you see for this Monopoly money that you see on the screen. This is all Monopoly money. Thanks, Jamie. Yeah, a little scalp off that harami candle. Felt a little scalpy there. That should have full ported it. Oof. Alright, there's a little nasty buy up. If you guys are just tuning in, smash the like button for me, if you don't mind. Helps out the YouTube algorithms. Also, if you're just tuning in, Buellanox and Apex are running their 80% off Apex, 83% off Buellanox. You can use code PINE. Appreciate that. I'm still gonna stay on a little bit longer, but also, guys, if you guys do use Tradeify, which I do use Tradeify, and I got a payout with them last month. I just don't have any accounts right now. You can use my link in the chat. Or wherever, like in my description, the link, and then you use the default code, which sucks. Until I get that enough sales with Tradeify, then they'll give me a custom code, but right now I don't have enough sales, so. But yeah, Tradeify is currently running 40% off first-time purchases and 30% off their accounts for everyone. Yeah, use my link. You can find it like in my description or wherever, or on Discord, and then use this code right here, SPRING, and that's how I get credit. Until I get $1,000 worth of sales, they won't give me my code PINE, even though I begged them. Because I know it's a pain in the ass. So much easier to just go in and use someone's code. I get it. I get it. Dump it, Woodchip says. Shows the chat bot's not working. Huh, it's weird. Yeah, chatbot's not working. I don't know why. Oh, okay. Thank you, Jim. That makes sense. I'm not gonna mess with it then. Appreciate that. Get a nice little push up here. Still holding above that initial balance high. Immediately order filled, order filled, order filled. He is a machine. So is micros too. DCAing with micros. For sure. Alright, waiting for another setup here. mean, overall today we're kind of bullish, even though we're still down 72 points in the day. Did we actually fill that? Close enough, I guess, right? Yeah, we did. That was pretty interesting. Came back, filled the gap. Immediately yanked. Seven minis during Asia. Holy cow, Amelia. Unfunded accounts, too. See if we can get this account back to green. We were down what? Good chunk. 20 points. We lost on that times 2. Kind of battled back a little bit. 70 micros. Which you can't even do, like, it's against the CME rules. As far as, like, if you're on a live account. People do it, though. Some people don't know that there's limits on how many contracts you can trade with live accounts. Guys, I keep trying to pass a Top Step account and I am struggling. I gotta slow down on them. I keep trying to pass a Top Step. I don't know why. Oh, that there's limits, like how many contracts you can trade without on a CME. So yeah, so if you look down on, let's find the NASDAQ, right here. So like NQ, it's 20 contracts and it's supposed to get reported at 25. So 25 is the reporting level, and what happens is that they would just make you become a large contract person or whatever. Micros, it's 25 too. You see here, 25, reporting level 25. So, kind of interesting. MES is 100. It's the reporting level for CME. People think there's no rules when it comes to live accounts. It's not true. There's rules. you hit the lockout button. Yeah, once you hit the lockout button, you're screwed. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Amelia. 24 hours. Or to the end of the session, whenever. I am short 1. Short 2. Don't like that. Don't forget you have a date with the weights. Yeah, I know. Well, I might go jump on the trampoline for Mo. For Mo only. I mean, he's donated quite a bit to the stream, so I think I owe him that. Little members only trampoline video. He gets to watch, yeah, for sure. Flush it. Dirty boys, yeah. You know where our mind goes immediately. Only tramps. Flush it. Oh, come on. Give me that elevator. I'm gonna take 1 off. I don't like it. Be interesting if we push down and test the view up. That could happen. Yeah, I don't like this. It's gonna get out. I don't like it. See what happens. Took too long. Too funny. I read that in fiction book that was about Russians. Yeah, I didn't like that trade. I was going for the short there, but then put in another Harami there, and that's just nasty sideways price action sign right there. So market's not really going anywhere at the moment. Wow, there's the pump. So it was a good thing we got out of our short there. Yeah, a little 330 reversal. Yeah, wood chip. Black Beauty, another turnaround, yeah, possibly. I mean, we have been just kind of pushing up since, what, 145? Well, pretty much all day. Besides this, if you just eliminate this craziness, I mean, it's kind of been pushing up, but I wouldn't be a bit surprised that we just don't reverse and flush down through here, this level, you know, the 900s, 876s. Talk it down. Talk it down. The son came back from school early. He didn't want to miss the Barcelona playoff. Oh, really? There's a playoffs going on, huh? Champions League, huh? Yeah, I didn't know the Champions League's playoffs were going on. Wow, we're getting that pump. Favorite team? Nice. I don't really follow. I watch the World Cup and all that, but yeah, fair weather fan, I guess. You came home early because of the rain. It's pouring here too. I don't know if it's still raining, but it is nasty outside. The weather's been absolutely horrible. All right, getting that pump. Nate, what's going on? I came home early. Oh, I read that. This is our moment. We are warriors and we fight. Cue the music. I put in 6 good hours. No need to go another job site and get wet. No. Hey, 6 hours. Hey, 6 solid hours of work day. It's good enough. I hear you. Most people don't anyway. They say they work like 8-10 hours, but are they really working? But yeah. I hear you, Christian. Milan is leading. Oh, still plenty of time. Fred, still plenty of time. It's not even halftime yet. They got this. Alright, we're still just pushing up here, kind of parabolic. We have the murder bots coming out in about, what, 15 minutes? Murder on clothes, Rayu, yeah. Yeah, I used to play, Fred. I need to get a haircut. This is for Zabak. See, I'm not totally bald yet. I mean, it's thinning, but I'm not totally bald. Like, you can kind of see through there on the light, though. Not willing to give it up. The high of 69 was filling in a fair value gap to the tick. The algo candle down to 12 hours and 20. I guess you could buy this. Not really getting it set up right now. It's acting like he wants to put in an inside bar here, but in the MOC, you never know. Oh, from FSP, that's what he say. I guess you could buy this. Yeah. Love to see a reversal candle. Oh, it says we are warriors and we fight together. Oh, okay. Gotcha. He puts on dramatic music when he thinks his trades. This is nuts. Alright, we're getting that pushed down now. It's trying. Got a bit of a trend line going on here too. I'm long one. I could learn some cool lick and whip it out. I could. Stops at break even. Give me the loot. I'm gonna take the 10 points there. Wait for the MOC. Lone Pine or Twin Pine? Mike, it's been 42 days with Top Step not getting connected. That's so weird. That's so strange, Mike. Very strange. Nope. Yeah, that's really weird. We got the murder on close. Whoever said that, I like that. Ray, who I think said that. Murder on close coming in 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Currently down 430 bucks. We did pass the My Funded Future starter account earlier on stream. And yeah, as far as my funded accounts and stuff, Buellanox, I'm up. I don't really have too much to say about many other accounts. I blew a pro account today. Passed some accounts. I don't know. Like I said, I've been hamster wheeling. Hasn't been great trading on my part the last few weeks. Fourth bull flag from local lows. Get an inside bar there. I mean, it kind of feels like we run this, right? Yeah, pushed up 19,975. Or close to 975. We got wood chips looking for 975. With the murder on close coming out 346 in about 4 minutes. It's 3:46 now Eastern time. I'm just gonna wait for the murder bot. Down 430 on this reset of using my rewards points. If you guys you guys are just new to Take Profit Trader, they do have rewards points. So you can get reset accounts, get new accounts. What's nice if you go for a bigger account, like a 150K or something, and if you do blow it and then you get enough rewards points, 5,000 rewards points, you can reset it. Or you can get a 50K for 5,000 points, so which is pretty nice. In case you're new to Take Profit Trader while we're waiting on the murder bot, murder on close, this is what the point system looks like. Long again wood chip, 959, good luck. I mean, I don't see any reason to short right now. I mean, we've been grinding up for, well, basically since 1:45 Eastern time. The last 2 hours. So I like it. Looking for that long spike, that boner candle. I know, you haven't gotten it yet. But I feel like we could run that 80, 84 level. Maybe take out some of these weak shorts. This poor structure up here. I mean, just look at that wick on the 30-minute chart. That is TPO charts. That's why I was just trying to pull it up. I think I can get it. Yeah, when I first started learning futures wood chip, that's all I learned. Take TPO charts. That was the very first thing I learned. This is the murder on close. I think this could be a target. If we don't hit it tonight, I think this could be a target up here for market reopen. We also have this gap down here. There's the rug pull. Yeah, I learned a lot from Jim Dalton and who else? There was another guy too on YouTube that I used to watch a lot. I remember watching a lot of this through Intraday and Tradeview. A lot of this stuff. Understanding TPO profiles. There was another guy too that I liked. I can't remember his name. Hey, look at that. I'm popping up in my own algorithm. Shadow Trader. Maybe that's what it was. And then you unlearned it. Yeah. Yeah, occasionally I'll just when you see things that kind of look defined, like I can never quite figure out how to trade it effectively. From the last pies, blueberry 11/26/21, we dropped 1,000 on the Dow that day. 1,257 days from the start date to the end date, but not including the end date, or 3 years, 5 months, 10 days, 41 months and 10 days. Huh. Shadow Trader shot him on Tasty Trade. Yeah, I don't know if it was Shadow Trader or what. I remember watching this guy. It was called Taming the Beast. We bounced right off that initial balance high again. I mean, initial balance and stuff is kind of market profile stuff too. But yeah, look at that bounce. Yeah, for sure. I mean, I remember sitting through some of Jim Dalton's seminar stuff, like his free seminars, and God, it's painful. It's like Al Brooks. It's painful stuff. $12.56 yesterday, 56.07 plus 1 today, 12.57 at 56.21. Boy, Mike, you see things like totally different than me. Not saying that's a bad thing. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, wood chip for sure. But yeah, you look at the bigger picture, Mike, for sure. All right, do we bust through that initial balance high? I think we do. We'll get the next murder candle here. In about 5 seconds. There it is. And there's the bust through the initial balance high. Testing the VWAP. Nice feel on that wood chip. Testing the VWAP. Back then we dropped for like 12 or 13 days from 11.26. Yeah, yes, TCM Trades. No surprise, Apex is running a sale. Thank you for reminding me. If you guys are interested in Apex, 80% off, guys. Use code PINE. Help out my baby channel if you guys are using Apex or Belanox. 83% off. Belanox. Get those evals in before FOMC. Appreciate the support of my baby channel. Yeah, nice trade, wood chip. Thanks, TCM Trades. Me too. Oh, sweet. Found me from Nutty. Nice. I like Nutty. I've been watching Nutty forever. Nutty's cool. Gives me shout outs when I'm in the chat. Wow, we got bounced off the V-Walk. Oh, appreciate that, TCM. He accidentally called Methodical Man Travis. Oh, you found me through Nutty too, Amelia? That's awesome. Yeah, a lot of people found me, I would say, through Nutty, Methodical Man, and Jay. So I'm always on Jay. It's that redhead in me, wood chip. It's that redhead. Yeah, I'm always on everyone's channel. That's my marketing. That's how I market. I get on other people's chats. So that way when you see me in the algorithms, if you're not already subscribed, then you see my name up there and you go, oh, I recognize that guy from, you know, Alpine's chat or someone else, you know. But I never poach. I never go in there and say like, oh, well, I have a channel or something. I never poach. All right, so if you guys are just tuning in, we passed the My Funded Future account. Right here. So get that one rolling tonight. And actually passed 2 of those today. I got a Starter Plus that's at 50%, 20% off Starter Plus accounts, guys. My Funded Futures, if you want to use code PINE, that's the one with no consistency once funded. And then Bulanox and Apex, 80% off Apex, 83% off Bulanox. Use code PINE and Take Profit Trader, all caps, PINE. Appreciate the support of my baby channel. Wow, we are really coming down now. You found me from Tiger's chat? Oh, that's cool. I'll need a paid trade assistance. Yeah. If I get big enough, if my channel grows enough, I will definitely would want a editor. An editor for short videos and stuff. Joom here. I think you found me from TikTok, right, Fred? You found me from TikTok. I am on TikTok, guys, and I'm on X. If you guys want to follow me on X and or TikTok, I am on there. Pine Tree Trader. It's at Pine Tree Trader on X. There is another Pine Tree Trader, but I'm at Pine Tree Trader on X. Yeah, Amelia, I just cross promote. Oh yeah, so I was gonna show you this, Fred. So yeah, we have a new professional soccer team in Maine. It's like, you know, probably like the D League or whatever. I don't know. But yeah, it's called the Hearts of Pine. And they just started. They just had their first game. Their very first game. So it's a brand new league. So yeah, I'm gonna go check out one of those games this summer. Methodical found me on OnlyFans. That's right. So yeah, Methodical. So I might go jump on the trampoline. So I might film it. and it's for members only. So you are a member. So if you'd like to join my membership, I'm just kidding. No socks. The good old wiener bounce. I look more like a foot guy. Actually not. It's one of those things I don't understand, but it's all good. It's all good. You found MM, or you found Methodical in my chat? Oh, nice. Oh, wait. And recognized him from Craigslist. Craigslist's classifieds. Does Craigslist even exist? That's funny. Wow, we got that massive push down there. Good call on that short wood chip. But it was just hanging on by a thread. Like, it literally bounced off that initial balance high a few times. So yeah, nice call on that. I mean, once you push down, it was like... Actually, the trend line break that I drew that I didn't even take was pretty nice. Didn't take it because of the murder on close bot, but... Mike too, yeah. You know, like a face made for radio. Just kidding, just failed another eval, feeling cantankerous. We can buy another one, TCM trades. With code PINE. Appreciate the support, guys. I will be back in a few hours for the market reopen. Let's do it. Let's do it again in a few hours. I'm gonna take a break now. I'm gonna go work out, get something to eat, and special like button on your way out. Use code PINE, Bealonox Apex, 80% off and 83% off Bealonox, and capital PINE for Take Profit Trader, and PINE for My Funded Futures, which is 20% off the Starter Plus accounts. So no consistency once you're funded, but there is a 50% consistency on the evals. So I'll catch you guys later tonight. Appreciate you guys hanging out this afternoon. I'm gonna go jump on the trampoline. Oh, Nutty's got enough money, TCM. I'm just kidding. You can use whoever you want. Appreciate you guys.